How to add the Samsung Internet Bookmarks widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. Next, we go down and tap on Widgets. From here, scroll down to the Internet section here and then tap on it. In here, touch and hold on a small size widget or a larger size widget of the bookmarks and then drop it into your home screen. And that's it. Now tap Menu outside to save the changes. Touch and hold on the widget will allow you to go into the settings. In settings, you can choose to turn off or switch on the background. You can also change the transparency of the background if you turn on background. Here we can add it. We can lower the transparency, or we can make it solid. And that's it. Finally, tap on Save to save the changes. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.